Can you see who shared your Instagram post? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see if we can see who can share or who have shared your Instagram post or not. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now before we begin, we must understand that Instagram does not provide a direct way to see who have exactly shared your post due to the privacy reasons. However, you can check the insights for some information, and here is how you can do it. If you have a personal account, if your post is public, you might see people tagging you in their stories when they share your post, but you won't get a direct notification if someone has shared your post in their private DM. And if you have your business or the creator account, then you can view all of these insights information. So for that, make sure you have a business or creator account. After that, head towards your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're here, scroll down and then open up your Instagram post. Now just below the post, there is an insights options or view insights option on your bottom left corner. Tap on view insights. Here scroll down and you will view, or you can see all of the information regarding your post. Scroll down and under interaction there is shares. This shows how many times your post was shared, but it will not display who have shared it. So you can only view the number of people that have shared your post. And that's how you can only view who shared or the number of shares on your Instagram post. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.